Hello everyone. Today I'm here for talking about structuring online book club R for the data science by R-Ladies São Paulo. My name is Luana Antunes and I'm today with Beatriz Milz for talking about our experience through this process.
Hi everyone. Before talking about the version of the book club in 2024, I would like to speak about the first attempt that we had. So in 2020, we had a first attempt to have a book club in R-Ladies São Paulo. It was a small group. We did not advertise outside of our community. It was online and during the COVID-19 quarantine, we were using the first version of the book in English, which was the one that was available online. And unfortunately, the book club only lasted a few months. We didn't read all the chapters of the book. And then we found out that the second edition of the book was being written. And I am part of the group that translated the second version of the book to Portuguese. So now we have the second version of the book in Portuguese, and in order to advertise the book, we thought about making a book club. While the book was still into translation, we started the book club while the book was being translated. And I would like to invite Luana to talk a bit about our book club, this version, this 2024 version.
So just to put in the context, I am one of the co-host of the book club together with Beatriz. We also have people from the community having the presentation and being invited to present the chapters. So it has been started in February this year, 2014, 2024, and usually we do one chapter by month, depend on our schedule, depend on the invite schedule. So it is an opportunity for people from the community to be exposed and work also in the topics, learn a lot. And it's this structure we use for call the people to come and participate and attend the book club. Then next slide, this slide, we talk about the book sections. We have this big division for the book, and we try to do some meetings for each topic. We went through whole game, which is the first big part of the book, and also we are in the middle and in this transition for visualizing. This is the section we are working nowadays, and we have 4 other sections we will work for the next meetings, which is transform, import, program, and communicate. These all are the big sections of the book. So we have the tools we use for the structuring while we are presenting, and also for putting all this structure for present the club. You can talk a little bit more about that, Bia?
So the first tool that we used a lot is GitHub. And we had a GitHub repository for the book club. And we create issues for each meeting. So each meeting has an issue. And one thing that helped us a lot is having an issue template. So the idea of an issue template is a file, is a markdown file that we can put the structure of an issue. So every time we create an issue in the repository, we already have something written down. So what we added in this issue template was all the tasks needed to create a meeting. And this helps a lot organizing the meetings. So this is a small image of how the file is structured, but I invite you to check using the link below. You can talk about the Google files, Luana.
Yeah. Collaborative Google Docs file was created as we can solve some issues. We can have some topics we talk during the presentations, during the meeting. We also have all the links to make it easy during the presentations if the person wants to show where is the book it is, or where it is the chapter we are working, or any other interesting topics we talk during the meetings. So it is a way to communicate and have like a register of what we have talking during the meetings. Sometimes we have like a lot of exercise, and we try to do some like exercise assignments during the meetings for practicing. So it's a good way we can talk with them, and they quickly access the links. So the next slide, we talk about Canva. This is the way we build our visuals, like the cover we use, the art behind behind the broadcast, like the marketing we do to make it more beautiful and everything. This was created by one of the members of R-Ladies São Paulo, Bianca Muniz, and it's very useful for us to create and do the files and broadcast in our social media. So the next slide, it is regarding the StreamYard and YouTube, which are the platform we use for put out our videos. You can see this is all the record videos from the book club, which are available for the persons who were not able to attend the meetings online, but they could see later. So we have this experience of sometimes some meeting have few people, but then we realize many people are watching by the number of visualizations we see in the YouTube channel. So next one, it is the Meetup. It is a platform we use for creating the link for registration. Also, it is the platform we use in all the chapters of R-Ladies, not only São Paulo, but other chapters. You can find R-Lady around the world, so people can get connected. And we can also send messages to the people enrolled in the community through the Meetup.
I just want to add that while we are doing these events on StreamYard and YouTube, it's being transmitted to anyone that wants to watch, if they are registered on Meetup or not. So the point is, it's important for us to still register the event on Meetup, because R-Ladies uses this data to have statistics about how many groups are active or how many events are being held. So we think it's important to create the event on Meetup, even though people that are not on Meetup are able to watch it anyway. So it's good for the records of R-Ladies Global.
Yeah. So we have all the social media platforms we use as Instagram, R-Ladies, LinkedIn. We prepare in advance the the flyers and the arts we use for advertise the events. So we have this time before for preparing, and then use the platforms to reach people, the people who follow us, but also when whoever access those platforms. So this is an example of one layout we create for the Instagram, and also is replicated in LinkedIn. We use the Mailchimp, which is a paid service for also reach these people and remind that the meeting will happen next week or in a few days. This is a good way to connect and like we can have the list of emails and remind those people to attend the events. And for future events, like if you want to do not only the book club but like our ladies present in-person event, it's possible to contact them and invite them to be together with us. We have around of 600 contacts so far, and that's a very good way to use this platform for the book club. Last of all, part of this paid service I already mentioned in the last slide, it is paid with the grants we earn from our consortium in 2023 and 2024. We use part of this money for paying these paid platforms, which so far has been very useful for broadcast and a resourceful way to invest this money we earn. So we got in the impacts and benefits of the book club. So Bia, what for you are the benefits of the book club so far?
Related to the book, I think one important benefit is advertise the translation version of the book, and also we get people interested in a book and reading a book. And one thing that is really nice is that we already got suggestions from people that are participants in the book club regarding the translation of the book. Maybe something is not properly written and things like that. And two people from the events already gave us suggestions to improve that the translation. So this is really valuable for us from the translation team. And I think that it's also a great way to receive people that are not from São Paulo. Maybe they are from a region that they don't have an R-Ladies group because they are living in the countryside or really far away from the urban agglomerations where usually we have groups. So it's a possibility for them to participate in our events. And how about you, Lu?
Yeah, for me, I think the same. It is a good way to connect into a broad public, like as you told, people who are not able to come in person to the events. Even they are not living the countryside. Sometimes we have people who live close, but it's so far for them, or sometimes they are working during the time we are doing events. So, or even people that doesn't know the community, so they are trying to find a way to learn about data science, and then they have this amazing content, because I think it's amazing, the content that we have people very passionate for sharing the knowledge they have. So it is a way to strengthen the community, because the people can show up, have their questions solved, asking new questions, get to know us in the host, but also other people from the community. And sometimes it happens that people that doesn't know the R-Ladies meetings, they come up and being part of the community later on. Some of the people, sometimes they become some like presenters, which is good for personal development, to encourage people to learn and improve their skills on data science. So far it has been a wonderful experience for me, and it is a way to advertise in the translation of the version of the book, as we are talking during this meeting. It is a way to people know more about this book. It is an amazing resource. We have so many insights about things we could do that the book teaches us. So this is the benefit from the book so far for me. So it has been amazing, the chance to share these events we have been doing in the book club, and also to encourage you and your group chapter to do it the same, because it's very worth to share our knowledge and get to know people. So, and also advocate the translation of the book for Portuguese. So if you have the chance, you can do the same if you think is applicable to your chapter. So we appreciate, and thank you for this time with us.
Thank you.